Experience the thrill of driving history. The 1927 Ford Model T is a testament to Henry Ford's vision of making cars accessible to everyone. With its rugged simplicity, reliable engine, and affordable price tag, this car revolutionized transportation and changed the world. A legend that shaped the very foundation of the automotive world. A machine that put the world on wheels. The 1927 Ford Model T stands as the ultimate symbol of innovation, durability, and timeless design. Join our passionate community of classic car lovers and be part of the journey as we explore the car that revolutionized transportation forever. The 1927 Model T marked the final chapter in the legendary production run that began in 1908. Over 15 million units had already hit the roads, making it the most influential car of its time. This farewell edition carried the same rugged simplicity that defined its predecessors, featuring a lightweight steel body, a high ground clearance, and the unmistakable tall stance that made it instantly recognizable. However, Ford refined the design, incorporating subtle yet effective updates, including smoother body contours, a lower sitting radiator, and more streamlined fenders, making it one of the most aesthetically refined Model Ts ever built. Under the hood, the heart of the Model T remained its reliable 2.9-liter Inline-4 engine, generating a modest 20 horsepower. Though these numbers may seem small by today's standards, this engine was known for its unyielding reliability and ability to tackle even the roughest roads of the early 20th century. The infamous planetary gear transmission, with just 2 forward speeds and 1 reverse, provided a unique driving experience that required skill and precision. Inside, simplicity reigned supreme. The interior was designed for function rather than luxury, featuring a single bench seat, minimalistic controls, and a basic instrument panel. Yet this no-frills approach made the Model T incredibly affordable, allowing millions to own a personal vehicle for the first time in history. By 1927, a brand new Model T could be purchased for as little as $300, further cementing its place as the car of the people. Today, the value of these historic automobiles has surged, with well-preserved, factory-original examples, commanding prices between $15,000 and $30,000. Customized hot rods and modified versions can easily reach higher figures as enthusiasts continue to transform this legendary machine into modern masterpieces. A true testament to Henry Ford's vision, the 1927 Model T remains a cherished piece of history. It wasn't just a car, it was a revolution on wheels, paving the way for the modern automobile industry. Whether you admire its historical significance, dream of owning one, or simply love the stories behind classic cars, this legend deserves to be remembered. Don't forget to become part of a community that keeps automotive history alive.